Hi, this is Steve.leth, your Minneapolis, St. Paul, Twin Cities and surrounding suburbs real estate agent. I'm here today. I'm about 55 minutes north of Minneapolis. I'm in a town just north of Big Lake, Minnesota, a little town called Orac Township. And we are here at a custom built home by Sota Homes, sitting on 3.5 acres. And we're gonna take a look inside this here in just a minute. Sota Homes, one of my favorite builders. They're gonna build custom built on 3.5 acres, different variety. They're gonna cover the northwest suburbs. So Zimmerman, Princeton, Isani, Elk River, and right here in Orac and Big Lake Townships. So now before we head inside, don't forget, like and subscribe right here so you don't miss any future home tours, renovation tours, local community market updates, and you can find it right here. And with that said, let's go ahead and let's take a look inside this custom built home by Sota Homes. It's a Cascade model, what you see inside there. So let's go ahead, let's take a look. Thanks. All right, we are coming up the driveway of this Cascade floor plan custom built home by Sota Homes. Taking a look at 3.5 acre lot, sprinkler systems installed, grass and sod and some landscaping. We're looking at an executive walkout rambler on a corner lot in Orac's newest acreage development, Pinecrest Estates West. Fully finished home features an open concept, main level living with a gorgeous grand open staircase. Tons of large windows bringing in natural light and beautiful views of the area. We're going to step inside and take a nice tour. Enjoy. Well, there you have it. The Cascade plan, model home, custom built by Sota Homes. This one's available. If you like this model, floor plan, size, if it's in your budget, great. Reach out to me. I've got a great relationship with the Sota Homes representatives, builders, and really would love to go to work for you and see if this is something that would be a good fit for you. If not, I can let you know about other Minneapolis, Twin Cities, and surrounding suburbs homes, mid 350s, new construction all the way up. And if you're interested, you can always call, text, email me. I'll have a calendar invite link below too. We could jump on a Zoom call. We could just jump on a call with that same calendar link. Doesn't have to be Zoom. I can just be over the phone, and I can share with you all of the beautiful custom built homes, new construction going up surrounding the Twin Cities. So thanks a lot for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.